Hi everyone, my name is April Chapman and we're going to be doing a bite-sized video today on how to draw fantastic space notes on the stave. Okay, so let me show you a little worksheet to help us do this. Okay, here we go. Now on this worksheet you'll notice that at the top there is just like a little chart to remind us of what our notes are. So we've got 1 beat notes, they're crotchets, 2 beat notes, minims, and 4 beat notes are the semi-breves. Now you can see from the worksheet, we start by practicing drawing our crotchets. Now the big thing about the space notes is when you're drawing a space note, you have to stay within the space and you can't cross a line, because every note head that is positioned on a line or space relates specifically to a note on the piano. So it's really important that you kind of draw them very neatly and say, okay, this is definitely going to be this space note and this is that line note. Okay, now these tracing notes are to make it easy for you to start with, drawing the crotchets. And you can see with crotchets and minims, they have a stem, and sometimes the stem goes up and sometimes it goes down. Now there is a video on this channel also about when does the stem go up and down. So if you're not sure, then do check that out. So you can practice drawing first your crotchets and minims and semi-breves. Semi-breves are a little bit easier because they are just the note head. So it's all just about positioning the note head nicely between the lines of the stave. So it's completely in the space, taking care not to go over the lines. And then there's a little game down the bottom to fill in notes and draw the note head on the star. Now I'll give you a little bit of an example as to how to do this. So the first one is done for you. So it's showing down here that it's a 1 beat note. So as we said before, 1 beat notes are crotchets. So you're going to draw a crotchet and the note head's going to be on the star, which here is positioned in the second space. Okay, let's look at the next one then. So this is a 2 beat note. Okay, as we said before, 2 beats is the minim note, and the note head needs to be positioned inside this space here, like that. Now, because the note head is above the middle line, my stem has to go down like that, and then you've drawn your minim in the correct space. As you can see, the next one is a 4 beat note. Okay, well, we know 4 beats is the semi-breve. The semi-breve note head is going to go into this top space here, like that, taking care not to cross the lines. And that's kind of how you do it. So just a little practice game at the bottom just to make sure that you've understood how best to draw these space notes. Okay, great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you will be able to subscribe by just clicking on this button here, because lots more lessons are going to be released to the channel with regards to bite-sized music theory for when you're learning to play the piano. Okay, look forward to seeing you at the next lesson.